Hey y'all! Today's hair video I'm going to be attempting to fade my hair color, mostly the purple ends, with a non-chemical process by adding vitamin C to both my shampoo and conditioner, and then letting the conditioner mix sit on my hair for just a bit and then putting a plastic bag or a wrap over it as well. Using vitamin C powder is something that a lot of people have been buzzing about and claiming it works quite well for fading hair colors. Since I'm going back to a little more natural and quite a lot less vivid hair color, I wanted to try it and share the results of the technique with you. So here's what you need: vitamin C powder or tablets that you can crush up. However, since tablets are usually buffered with something else, I liked the vitamin C powder idea best because it's 100% pure. And then you're going to need some shampoo and conditioner. Doesn't necessarily really matter what kind, just as long as it's not one that is like a hair color protecting one. So we kind of go against the purpose, I think. Mixing spoons, or at least just a tablespoon, for mixing it up in the mixing bowls that you'll need as well. And then also don't forget a plastic cap. There is a referral link in the description to the vitamin C powder that I'm using in the video. I've also used this powder to make my own, or DIY my own, vitamin C serums, which actually works very well. You're going to want to start first by putting a little bit of your shampoo and conditioner in each cup, and just how much you would ordinarily use, or slightly more. I'm actually putting a little bit more conditioner than I'd normally use because I'm letting it sit on my hair. Okay, now I'm going to put a tablespoon into the shampoo, and I'm going to try, if I have enough, to put 2 actually into the conditioner. The reason I'm putting more in the conditioner because that's what's going to be sitting on my hair. The shampoo, it's not going to be on there very long. I don't like leaving shampoo in my hair too long. And that wasn't the whole bag. Like I said, I make vitamin C serums with this too, so. And I'm gonna mix them up. You may want to add a little water with the conditioner if you have a real thick kind that you're using. Alright, now I'm gonna go apply the 2, and we'll meet you back here. Okay, so I have washed with the shampoo and then put the conditioner in, but I did add one more step because I felt like with just the shampooing part at least, it wasn't really doing much. So after a minute of working the shampoo and stuff in, I added in and massaged in some to the hair baking soda, and that actually seemed to help quite a bit. So I guess we'll see. I'm gonna do the same thing after I condition as well, in a few minutes, and we'll see what the results are. Okay, well, here is the results. So it did seem to lighten it a little bit, a decent amount, but I like the way it actually feels. Like I just finished blow drying it and stuff, and I haven't even styled it. It's nice and soft. But anyhow, yeah, so if you're wondering, it's, like I said, probably if I use a little more vitamin C, I didn't have a lot left. But yeah, it did lighten it. I haven't put any kind of conditioning, like oil or anything on it yet. So, yeah, anyhow, I hope that helps you guys, and we'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. I just wanna know.